Right now, sentiment around climate issues has surged to plus 0.40, a notable spike compared to previous weeks. This momentum of plus 0.29 indicates a growing urgency in discussions, suggesting that something significant has shifted in public perception. When you tap into our Climate Sentiment API, you get not just the sentiment score, but also insights into 20 semantic clusters, reflecting the nuanced conversations happening in real time. Imagine integrating this data into your application to power a dashboard that tracks sentiment trends, helping organizations tailor their messaging and strategies based on the current climate discourse. Stay ahead of the curve. Explore the API documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.